Recording started.
We need to soak one more engage, boys, ah. One more engage, ah. Hold. Hold, just spread outside. Just spread outside. We, bebait lang natin. Hold, D-tanks come inside them. D-tanks only. Hold. Ready your potions, ah. Hold. Ayaw nila mag-engage. Hold. Actually, walk in na nga. Walk in, ready defensives, ah. Walk in, ready potions, ah. Sige lang, walk in and spread. I'm gonna mark their healers. Okay, we're going to engage shallow, Shallow southeast, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Southeast now. Then brawl. Spread. Def now. Okay, we soak. Spread. Drop demon. Drop Judies. Drop Judies. Come northeast. We need to stabilize. Come east. Out. Come east. Come southeast. Sige lang, stabilize. Okay, hold. We're going to look on the choke, ah. On the choke, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, shallow now, inside. Drop your east. Then come southeast. Keep walking southeast. We're still good, boys. Def north, come south. Sige lang, stabilize. We're kiting a bit. Hold. Okay, hold. 4 seconds, boys. 4 seconds. Okay, northwest, boys, ah. Northwest deep, in 5, in 4, in 3, on the choke, in 2, in 1, northwest, hit the shit. Okay, come back now. Come back. Good hit. Almost. Come back southeast. Peace. Cleanses. Def now. Judy, I drop Judy. Okay, walk northwest, boys. Walk northwest. Sige lang, walk northwest. Hold them. On the choke, ah. Ready on the choke, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. It's everyone. Hit this shit. Okay, come back southeast. Nastop ba kayo? Come back southeast. Keep walking southeast, boys. Do not go deep. Okay, hold. Try nga natin over the wall. Taas out agad, ah. Hold. Okay, hold. Okay, over the wall, ah. Hold. Def now. Okay, shallow inside, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Inside. Hit the shit. Then come southeast. Actually, brawl nyo konti. Brawl shallow. Di enough in DPS ata natin. How many DPS I have? 5? Kaya to. Sige lang, stabilize. Hilson West. We will try to headbutt, boys, ha. Sasabayan natin, boys, ha. We're going to headbutt. Ready. Hold. Just spread a bit. Hold. Okay, headbutt in 3, in 2, in 1. Headbutt now. Hit this shit. Good hit, boys. Good hit. Okay, keep brawling. Outside. Out. Come west, boys. Push in a bit. Hold. They might look, ah. Ready potions, ah. They might look. Find the healers. I marked one healer. I marked. Def now. Oh, no. Not yet. Just spread. Take southeast space. Southeast. We're going to headbutt again, now. Hold. Tagal mag-engage ito, putay na. Gantay din ang headbutt. Tingnan nila, I marked their color, ah. Hold. Keep rolling lang. Look for lows. Wala nang manning healers nila, ah. Hold. Okay, look northwest in 5. Northwest in 4. In 3, in 2, in 1. Northwest now. Hit this shit. Then brawl. Good hit, boys. Then spread. Def now. Good soak, boys. Then spread. We're good. Demon now. Demon well brawling. Hilson LLL. Hilson barcode. We're good. We're fucking good, boys. Mauna tayo, ah. 5 seconds, ah. 5 seconds on the middle, ah. Hold. Actually, northwest. May healers on northwest in 5. Hold. West. Look west in 4. Actually, east na lang in 3, in 2, in 1. Inside now. Hit this shit. Then brawl. Spread and brawl. Ready potions. Potion now. Potion. 3 healers. We're good. We're still good. Keep healing. I'm gonna fake next time, ah. I'm gonna fake next time. Hold. Okay. Hold. He's on dark side. Okay, nice. We're going, faking. Okay, nagbait sila. After the crown, on the crown, in 5, in 4, in 3, hold, in 2, in 1. Hit the crown. Good hit, boys. Then brawl. Nadali sila sa fake. Keep brawling. Low na to. Spread a bit. Nadali sila fake. Drop Judy. Spread Judy. Nadali sila sa fake. Sige lang, spread. Okay. We're going to hit west, ah. West on the choke. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit the choke now. Hit the crown. We're good. Two healers. They have clap, ah. Hold. Spread. Just spread. We're 2 clamp top. Spread, boys, spread. Spread. Hold. Spread kayo, putang ina. Okay, hold. Okay, we're going to hit west, West, I'm gonna fake again. I'm gonna fake west. Hold. Faking. Okay, look on the center in 5. On the crown in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. Hit the crown now. Good hit, boys. Tang ina nyo. Okay, then brawl. Spread and brawl. Dropping Judy. Okay. Dropping Judy. Play on the Judy.
They going out.
Okay, catch southwest. Drop your on the choke in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the choke now. Hit the shit. Heals on leap. Leap's gonna die. Potion, leap. Gago, kaya pa nila. Come northeast.
May cannon dyan.
Come north. Pila. Putang ina. Regir ba to? Hold. Okay, hold. I'm gonna fake southeast. Okay, hit southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit the crown now. Dive now. Potion. Okay, then brawl. We're good. Are we good? 2 DPS. Hold. Sige lang. Out. Come east.
Lagi.
Out the short. Dali tayo sa habol sa shortcut, Ay, sa Lord Room.
May cannon din, tapos elite guards.
Oo, sa kanan natin nadali.
Mali yung call ko, sorry.
Tapos 2 healers lang kaya. Pwede.
Sumabay yung guards, no? Yeah, I mean, good content.